systems ready.
Prepare for startup. Engage motors to full power. 4, all-wheel drive online. 3, 2, 1.
This is Navimow X4, the future of lawn care. A new standard in autonomous mowing technology. The most advanced all-wheel drive system ever designed for a robotic mower. Take on steep slopes, rough ground, and daily obstacles with full confidence. Front-wheel eccentric steering offers agile zero turning, all while protecting grass. The intelligent traction control system continually adapts to low-grip surfaces for smooth, steady movement. The adaptive blade system dynamically adjusts cutting discs, preventing scrapes against raised ground. Twin 180-watt cutting motors and a dual-disc design, powered through thick, tough, and tall grass. Engineered for efficiency. Built to finish more in a single day with performance you can count on. 360-degree vision and F-less NRTK positioning provide pinpoint navigation. Under trees, along edges, through narrow passes. X4 learns and understands your yard. From wide-open lawns to detailed borders, the result is consistent, clean, beautiful. And with AI-powered panoramic obstacle avoidance, every move stays safe and precise. Wire-free, antenna-free, hands-free. With just one click, Navimow X4 auto-maps your yard in minutes. Plus, just say the word for seamless mowing, with full support for Alexa and Google Home. Pioneering performance. More time for what matters. Navimow X4, the next era of mowing technology.